Hey guys, this is Fishing with Edward. Yeah, I changed my name again. This is the last time. There's just too many bass assassins, and people said I can't find you. So, alright, so I'm at my cousin's pond again. It's a lot warmer since that last video where Dad caught one bass right here. As you can see now, it's all green and stuff, but I'm gonna put a big old worm on here, and you won't believe the size of the bluegill in here. They're huge. I'm gonna put a whole worm on here. I don't know if I'm gonna exactly catch a bluegill. Sometimes really giant crappie, like slab crappie bite and bass. So I'm gonna see if I can get a bluegill or one of them. I'm happy with any fish I can catch with this, unless it's like the smallest thing in the world. But I gotta. That's a hook for a bluegill there. That's how big they are. Let's see what happens. I'm using a really... Whoa, got one. Oh no, he got off. That was probably a bass, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what that was. It was really big though. See if I can get him. My friend Eric is here with my dad, and my cousins might come, but that was cool. Oh, I gotta get this untangled. I'm gonna cast towards the side again. That's where he was. Oh, got him. I think it's a, oh, it's a bluegill. Yeah, that was a really big bluegill. I'm using like ultra light gear. Hopefully they'll still be hungry. Seems like they're off to the left, guys. Oh, is that like a beaver or something? That's cool. I've never seen that before. Oh. Alright. Bit it. Alright. Got him now. What is he? He's a big bluegill. This is actually not as big for here, but it's really big. Keep getting him near the eye. So, I'll try to be careful there. Okay, this is actually a nice sized bluegill, but it's not big for in here, believe it or not, so. I'm also going to do bass fishing and testing out those lures I did a video on in like February or whatever. Come here. Oh gosh. This reel's really squeaky. That's annoying. Sorry if that's really annoying to you, if the squeaky reel, but I don't know if much I can do about it right now. Alright, I'm going to put a fresh piece of worm on. This is a big one. Alright guys, I'm going to go to a different place where I know there's slab, crappie, bluegill, and bass. And you'll see what an average sized bluegill is from here. And then I'm going to do some bass fishing. My friend's here too. I mean, it's about 5 something right now. I'm not going to have that much time. I'm going to do 2 videos. I'm going to do videos, I'm going to do this video, this bluegill fishing video, they hit it with worms, and then I'm going to do a bass fishing video. They're hitting it. Oh, I just saw a crappie. See, there's so many flipping giant bluegill like this guy. I could see them in the freaking water. Oh, geez, that's freaking awesome. All right, this is an average size bluegill here. I just had a really small piece on there. And this, guys, is an average size bluegill. Wow, he just inhaled that big old hook. Inhaled it. Ugh. I think I got him near the eye. He's actually he kind of has a messed up eye. But, it's a nice bluegill. All right, there's so many big bluegill right there. I can see them like in the light of the water. That's just a small one. These small ones are hitting it. Alright, I thought I saw a bass in the middle of them. Hey Dad, I just caught a nice bluegill. I actually caught two. One was big for a bluegill, but one was average size for here. And there's a bunch of bluegill I can actually see. And there's bigger ones out of them, and then I saw a bass. Like there's bigger ones in the middle of some of them, but yeah, they're in the green backpack over there. This is a small guy. Oh.
Charlie and Jack.
Yeah, what's that high? I don't know. Alright, this is a good one. There we go. And this is also another average size bluegill for here. Actually, you know, this almost is small for here. This is considered average size. That's how big they are here. Eric, look, you should see the size of the bluegill here that I just threw back. Here, throw that right there. Like right in front of you. But let them eat it first so they don't take it out. Like just throw it like right in front of you. Oh. Yeah, like right there, just well, it's small. Alright, this is a better one. Oh, you got stuck. Whew, alright, let's save this guy's life. Yay. Where are you? Hopefully, oh, I see him. I gotta get down in the mud. Hopefully there's not a snake in here. Oh, this is not pleasant. Oh. Yeah. There he goes. The water temperature is really warm. There's a bunch of poison ivy. Ugh. Yeah, that's a bluegill for here. That's actually, it might be on the smaller side, believe it or not. It's on the smaller side, actually. Oh, all right, I need more water. All right, guys, I'm gonna go see if I can maybe get some topwater action with some bass. Hold on. Actually, never mind. I'm going to save that for the next video. I'm just going to mess around with these guys for a little bit. See what I can get with the worms, because I've got a bunch of worms. So, I'm going to use a popper in the next video. I'm not sure if I'll catch anything, because in the past, they haven't been interested in topwater, unless it might be a soft plastic or something. But, for some reason, they like soft plastics more than like hard baits that are on the top. I don't know why. Because I've, like, whoa, okay, I got a nice one on here now. He's a fighter bluegill. Oh, jeez. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Keep getting them near the eye. Ugh. I don't know why. Like I guess the shapes of these bluegill make the bait go near their eye. Not sure why. Oh, and he just took a bunch of my worm. Put another one on there. Actually, I'm just gonna try a small piece like that and see what happens. Just enough to cover up the hook, but not around the tip. Oh gosh, alright. Oh. High tension's a line here. Whew, alright. Ugh. Again, sorry if the squeaky reel is annoying you. Again, there's not much I can do about that right now. Another ginormous. What? Oh yeah, Eric, if you keep with the worm fishing, this is pretty much the average size bluegill for in here. I'm gonna throw them back over here. Ooh, slippery. Do you have any bites? Yeah, I had some. I'm gonna guess either really big crappie or a bass. What is it? Alright guys. What is it? A big bluegill? Yeah, he's a nice one. There you go.
GoPro?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, I guess I forgot to tell my friend that I got one. Alright, I'm gonna cast it out there and see what happens. Come on, there's gotta be some right here. I guess for some reason they're not here, but I did catch a bass here.
See if I can hold him from the mouth. Yeah.
You can, but... Oh no. Yeah. Yeah, that happens sometimes. Catch a bunch of fish, but still have your worm. Typically, like when you catch a bunch of fish, you still have your worm. Typically, a smaller bluegill. Yeah, I like watching that. Almost as good as stopwater. Alright, guys, I'm gonna try a different spot. They're not here for some reason. Our bluegill want to be there, but they're over here. Have you got any bites yet, Dad?
Yep.
Let's see if he can catch a bass.
Doesn't seem like it.
Yeah, it does that. Dad, here you gotta throw it against the shore, not in the shallows. You need to throw it against the shore, like over there. If that doesn't work, there's other stuff you can use. Yeah, I guess they're the bluegill. They're all over here. What? I'm not sure what you said. Oh. Oh, yeah, he got him. He's just a bluegill. Okay, I need to tighten that right. Actually, nope. Yeah, pretty much. That's the point. Oh gosh. This giant bluegill is flopping around like crazy. Alright guys, I'm gonna weigh him actually. Yeah. I'm going to weigh him if I have the scale just to see how much these guys weigh. Yeah, I don't have any of the fancy scales. I just got regular scales. Oh, that's smart.
We'll have a party after dinner.
It wasn't really a party. It was just having cake and pizza at the pavilion place. Okay. Alright. Sometimes you have to do that to make it